Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy. Now observe what I am doing. I am rotating my hand. When you are rotating your hand, when you have to throw a ball during playing cricket. Am I clear? Now I can lift this bottle. I can lift this bottle. Yes. I can write on the board with a marker. Okay. I can say bye to you. I can rotate my neck. Yes. So all these are possible due to what? Due to our joints. Due to our joints. So today I am going to teach you joints. Got it? So we will study lesson number 3, the skeletal and muscular system, and today we will study about the joints. So what are joints? Joints सुने ना, जोड़ क्या होता है? Where joint is a place where two bones join with each other. Got it? Where two bones join with each other. और जहां से जोड़ होगा वहां से थोड़ा सा कच्चा भी होता है, और कच्चा होने के कारण यू कैन रोटेट इट एनीवेयर. गॉट इट? अब ये देखिए, दिस इज ऑल्सो अ जॉइंट इन आवर फिंगर्स. देयर आर सो मेनी जॉइंट्स, सो दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन ट्विस्ट, you can bend your fingers, you can twist your arms. Got it? You can move your hands. So there are, and the bones bent at a joint. You have seen this is joint, and you can bend your hand like this. In the legs also there are so many joints in our body, and we can do lot of our work due to the presence of these joints. If imagine what will happen if there will be no joint in our body. Our body will be stuck and we will not be able to move, twist, bend, or we will not be able to do any kind of work. Just like a tree. You have seen its trunk. You have seen its trunk. It cannot bend. So our body will be like that only. Got it? So there are 3 types of joints: movable, partially movable, and immovable. First is immovable joints. As you have seen in the video, skull. Skull is having immovable joints. They cannot move. But in skull, our low jaw, it can move up and down. It can move like this also. So this is, in our skull there are immovable joints. Am I clear? Movable joints, the joints which can move, like in our hand, like in our shoulder, we can move our whole hand. And partially movable joints which can partially move, like I can say bye to you. So our hand will move from this direction to this, not more than this. As I have told you that movable joints, mostly movable joints are present in our body. They may be partially movement, some of them show most movement. Okay, so types of movable joints. First we will study about the ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. It is clear from the name also. Ball means ball-like structure. This is ball-like structure, and socket. Got it? When ball fits in a socket, so you can see ball is fitted into the socket, and it can show all the types of movement here, there, left, right, front, back. So this is called ball and socket joint. And you know where this joint is present in our body? So touch your shoulder. Touch your shoulder. You can see a ball-like structure here. So through this, ball and socket joint is present in our shoulder, and due to this joint we are able to move our hand in all the direction, and we are able to do all the kind of work due to this ball and socket joint, and it is present in our hip also. It is present in our hip also. That's why we are able to rotate our leg in all the direction. So is it clear that where ball and socket joints are present in our body? So let us study about the hinge joint. So to understand hinge joint, you know what are hinge? This is hinge in the door. Okay, this is hinge in the door. Got it? This is a metal thing, and due to this hinge, the door is able to, we are able to close it and open it. We are able to close it and we are able to open it. Clear? So you have seen in the door, due to the hinge joint, door is able to open and close. This joint is present in our elbow also and in our fingers also. So we can bend our fingers in the one direction only, not in the opposite direction. In the door also we can open it in the one direction, not in the opposite direction. So elbow here we can do like this, but not like this. Okay, finger can move like this, but not in opposite direction. So through hinge joint we can move our bones in one direction. Is it clear to you? Now we will study about the pivot joint. This is our third joint, pivot joint. So see what I am doing. When there is no light, what you are doing? You are making a paper fan and you are doing like this. Got it? So how we are moving our hand? Like this. So we are twisting our hand. So this joint, pivot joint, is present in our hand. Got it? And due to this we are able to move our hand like this. Got it? And this joint is present between the skull and the backbone also, and due to that means it is present in our neck, and due to this we are able to move our neck in all the direction, like this, down, up, not at the back. So am I clear to you? Now we will study about the last joint, that is gliding joint. Gliding joint. Gliding means glide cut. How these bones work? They glide over one another like this. Gliding means एक दूसरे के ऊपर glide करना. Got it? These bones glide with each other, on each other. So these joints are present in our wrist, ankles. You are saying bye to your friends. It is due to present of gliding joint. So it is present in our wrist, legs में ये, ankles में present होता है, and in our backbone. Got it? That's why we are able to move our wrist like this and like this also. So it helps in bending and twisting, and it helps our backbone also to move like this, and this. Got it? I hope you have understood about all the joints, how they work and how they are helpful for us. So now I hope this is clear to you how joints are very helpful in our body. Clear?